my dear students? How are you all? Fine, very good. Okay. So I am Ms. Munazza Sayyed. Welcome you all to Nagesh Karazgi Orchid School. Today I am going to teach you English subject of grade 2. Very good. You all remember? Good. Now see children, today's good thought is every day is a new day. What? Every day is a new day. What it means children? Suppose today something happened that you may lose something. You might be failed in something. So tomorrow again you will get a new chance. And that tomorrow is very important. So every day you will get new opportunities, new ideas, and new chances to do something else. So today's good thought is every day is a new day. So children, till now we have learned many interesting stories, poems, and many other things in our term 1. We have 2 books, term 1 different and term 2 different. So we have completed our syllabus of term 1. Now today we are going to start with our term 2 syllabus. Okay. So in term 2 also we are going to learn many poems, stories, grammar part, everything like same in the 1. So here onwards you have to be with your term 2 books. Okay children. Now before teaching I would like to ask you some questions. You have to answer me. Children, do you know insects? Insects means what do you know? Insects means small and tiny animals. Okay. Means you all know. Good. Name some insects. Bees, very good. Honeybees, houseflies. Yes. These are the some of the insects. Now, you have to tell me the name of the insect who have large, scaly, beautiful wings. That is a small insect only, but which has the scaly wings, and those wings are large. Everybody wants to catch it, and you can find them in the gardens. Who will tell me? Butterfly. Very good. So, this is the animal, this is the insect who have large, scaly, beautiful wings. Okay. So, children, do you know how these butterflies are grown? Yes? Means now first, after your birth, after some months, you were able to crawl. Then you were able to walk by your own. Then you grown up. In this way I am asking. I will tell you. Butterfly has of its life 4 stages. First one, egg. Then when that egg will break, caterpillar will come. Then third will be pupa. Means in that cocoon that caterpillar will be there inside. Then the 4th and the last stage of the life cycle of a butterfly is butterfly. Means after that 3rd stage, that butterfly will be very beautiful and will be flying on its own wings. Children, do you want to know some more things about this butterfly? Do you want to know? Good. So, today we are going to learn the story about this. Here we have the caterpillar. Its name is Kira. So, today we are going to learn the lesson number 1 of term 2 of English subject, Kira the caterpillar. Open your textbook. Term 2 children, don't forget. Term 2, lesson number 1 of English, Kira the caterpillar. Page number 1 only. Okay. Now you have to repeat after me. Lesson number 1, Kira the caterpillar. Kira the caterpillar. Kira. Kira. The. The. Cater. Pillar. Caterpillar. Kira the caterpillar. See children, here we have the warm up. Join the dots and press the lines. What do you see? Color the picture. This you have to do it afterwards. And what you can see, you have to write here the answer. Okay? You have to join the dots and press. Means join करना है और उसको pencil से stress करना है. See, after 1 you have to go for 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And after that 12 you have to join it to again 1. Means it will complete. Okay. Then next. Now I am going to read. You have to pay attention. Okay. Kira was a caterpillar. Who was Kira, children? Who? Caterpillar. Very good. Now listen carefully. Kira was a caterpillar. She had a long, soft body. She had many tiny feet. She sat on the leaves all day and ate them slowly. What happened? There is one caterpillar. See here. You can see there is one caterpillar whose name is Kira. Okay. So, how Kira looks like, children? She had a long and soft body and she had many tiny, T-I-N-Y, tiny. Tiny means what? Small, chote chote. Okay. So, she had many tiny feet. She sat on the leaves all day. So, what Kira does daily? She sat on the leaves and ate them slowly. You can see in this picture how Kira is eating the leaves. No one could see Kira when she sat on a leaf. No one could see Kira when she sat on a leaf. So when Kira will sit on a leaf, no one can see Kira. Why? Because she was the same color as the leaves. So when Kira will sit on the leaves, Kira is in green in color and the leaves are also green. So when Kira will sit on the leaves, nobody can see her. Kira's best friend was Kunal. Who is Kira's best friend? Kunal. K-U-N-A-L. Kunal. K-U-N-A-L. Kunal. He was around. So how was Kunal now? We will see. He was around dark brown and shiny beetle. He was a round, dark brown in color. How was Kunal's color? Dark brown and shiny he was. Beetle. But Kunal was a beetle. B double E. Repeat after me, children. B double E T L E. Beetle. B double E T L E. Beetle. Beetle means a kind of insect whose outer wings are also a hard cover for its body. Beetle is also a kind of insect. Okay? Turn the page, children. Kunal had wings. What Kunal had? Wings. Yes. Kunal had wings, so he could fly and see many places. He always had interesting stories to tell about all the things he saw. Kira loved Kunal's stories. But she thought, how wonderful to be able to fly. I wish I could fly like Kunal. So what happened here? Kira's best friend, who was Kira's best friend, children? Kunal. Yes. So Kunal was having the wings to fly. So he could fly and see many places. So as he had wings, as Kunal had wings, so Kunal was able to fly and he was seeing many places. And always when he went to the place, he will have interesting stories to tell Kira about the things he saw. Okay, so whatever he will see, whichever places he will go, he will have interesting stories to share with Kira. Even we people are sharing with each other, na children. Suppose somebody went to Kashmir in summer vacations, and after the summer vacation, when you will meet your friend, you will say, अरे नहीं मैं कश्मीर गया था, हमने ये किया, हमने वो किया. So in this way, Kira was always she was interested to listen the stories about Kunal, and Kunal was also eager to share the places he saw. So Kira loved Kunal's stories. But one day what Kira thought, how wonderful to be able to fly. Means even she wanted to fly like Kunal, and she wanted to visit all those places, and she want to see with her own eyes. I wish I could fly like Kunal. So what Kira thought here now? I wish that I could also fly like Kunal. See, she was wishing now. Okay. Now children, answer my question. Who was Kira? Who will tell me? Who was Kira, children? Caterpillar. Very good. What did Kira look like? Means how she looks like? She had a long and soft body. Good. Then what was Kira's routine, children? What did Kira do all the day? She was, yes, she was sitting on the leaves and she was eating the leaves. Who was Kira's best friend? Kunal. Very good. Who was Kira's best friend? Kunal. And what did he look like, children? कैसे दिखता था कुणाल? He was round and dark brown and shiny. How he was? He was round. He was dark brown in color and he was a shiny beetle. Now children, you all know that Kira was loving to listen all the stories about Kunal, what Kunal will share. Okay. Then, why was Kunal able to tell all the interesting stories to Kira? Why was telling all the things? Why Kunal was telling the stories and how he was able to tell the stories, children? Because Kunal had wings. So he could fly and he can see many places. Now see children, Kira is wishing that she could also fly. Yes. So what will happen next? Now Kira is wishing to fly. But is she able to have the wings and she could fly? Let's see. Now pay attention. Just a minute, wait children. One day, Kira felt very hungry. So what happened one day? Kira, K-I-R-A, Kira, F-E-L-T, felt, V-E-R-Y, very, H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. Hungry means what? Bhook lagna. Okay. So one day what happened? Kira felt very hungry. So what she did? She ate all the leaves on one branch. So what happened? Where she was sitting, Kira, on the branch, she was feeling this much hungry that she ate all the leaves which were on the branch. She went on eating the leaves till she was quite full. Okay, so how much she ate? She went on eating. What she did? खाते जा रही है, खाते जा रही है, खाते जा रही है. Means this much she was hungry that she went on eating the leaves. Till what time? कितना खाया कीरा ने? जब तक के उसका पेट पूरा भर नहीं जाता. Okay. She went on eating the leaves till she was quite full. Now full means ate so much that she could not eat many more. जैसे मैंने बोला कि उसने पेट भर के खाया था. Means after that she is unable to eat a single bite also. Then what happened children? She felt very sleepy. आपको भी ऐसे होता है ना? जब मम्मी बनाती है टेस्टी टेस्टी खाना, you will eat full. Then you will feel sleepy. So in the same way, when Kira's stomach was full, then she felt sleepy. Oh, it would be so nice to have something soft to sleep in. O-H, how we will say? Oh. Okay. So now Kira is sleepy. Kira को नींद आ रही है. So what Kira will do? What Kira is thinking now? It would be so nice to have something soft to sleep in. Even when you will feel sleepy, तुम लोग क्या करोगे? You will find something soft to sleep, or else you will go on your beds. Yes, children? So in the same way, Kira want something soft. उसको कुछ soft चाहिए था सोने के लिए. Then, to her surprise, she noticed some soft white thread coming out of her mouth. So what happened next, children? To her surprise, means all of a suddenly क्या हो गया? अचानक से, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, अचानक से क्या हो गया? To her surprise, she noticed some soft. Who noticed here? She means who, children? Kira. तो कीरा ने क्या नोटिस किया? Some soft means एकदम नर्म. Okay, she noticed some soft white thread. What she had noticed? Soft and white thread coming out of her mouth. So कीरा ने क्या किया? She wanted to sleep. She was very sleepy. Then what she did? She observed that one soft white thread is coming out of her mouth. She spun a little white cocoon around herself and went to sleep. She spun. S-P-U-N. Spun. Spun meaning made threads out of cotton, wool or silk by pulling and twisting it. Making a thread of cotton, wool or silk by pulling and twisting it. मतलब वो थ्रेड को क्या करना? घुमाना, बुनना, twisting and pulling. Okay. A little white cocoon. तो स्पन यानी क्या? उसने बनाया थ्रेड से, थ्रेड को घुमाया, पुल किया, ट्विस्ट किया, उससे क्या बनाया उसने? कीरा ने व्हाइट कुकून. COCOON. कुकून. COCOON. Cocoon. Cocoon means what? A covering made of silky threads which protects an insect when it is not fully grown. Now, this caterpillar is the second stage of a butterfly. Okay, ये वाला कौन सा stage था? Second वाला. So, this cocoon is made up of silky threads. Means जैसे कीरा ने स्पन बनाया, मीन्स स्पन से क्या किया उसने? कुकून बनाया. कुकून क्या करेगा अभी? द कुकून इज मेड अप ऑफ थ्रेड एंड दैट कुकून विल प्रोटेक्ट द इंसेक्ट विच आर नॉट ग्रोन स्टिल, बिकॉज कीरा वॉज नॉट अ बटरफ्लाई स्टिल, शी वॉज ऑन द सेकेंड स्टेज. अभी कीरा को और बड़ा होना था, तो वो कुकून क्या करेगा? कीरा को प्रोटेक्ट करेगा. Around herself and went to sleep. So कीरा ने क्या किया? With that white thread, she spun a little white cocoon. So using that thread, she spun a little white cocoon, and where was the cocoon? Around Kira's body, around herself. Then Kira went to sleep. Kira slept for many days. Then what happened? Kira slept for many days. Kunal knocked on her cocoon every day and said, Kira, wake up. I have a story to tell you. So, when Kira was sleeping in the cocoon, What Kunal used to do? Kunal was knocking on her cocoon every day. Knock करना यानी खटखटाना means taking the permission. How we are knocking the door? खटखटाना. Okay. So Kunal was knocking on her cocoon every day. And what Kunal was telling? Kira, wake up. I have a story to tell you. Then Kunal wanted to share the stories with Kira, but Kira was sleeping. But she never came out. Kunal was very puzzled. What Kunal was very puzzled. 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 Puzzled मतलब confused रहना. Kunal was very puzzled. Kunal was very confused that why Kira is not coming out of the cocoon. I wanted to share the stories with her. Is she okay? Means she was worried also about her friend, about his friend, and he was very confused about that. About whom Kunal was worried? About Kira. Yes. Suddenly, one sunny morning, the cocoon began to break into pieces. So, what happened one day? The cocoon began to break. तो cocoon क्या होने लगा? टूटने लगा. Cocoon began to break into pieces. Now the next part of this story we will see next time. Till then we will solve these questions. Okay. Choose the correct answer. Kira was a dash caterpillar. Brown, green or blue? Kira was a dash caterpillar. Brown in color, green in color or blue in color? What children? What will be the answer? Green. Good. Kira loved to eat fruits, flowers or leaves. What Kira was eating whole day, children? She was eating the fruits? No. She was eating the flowers? This is also no. Then what she was eating? Leaves. Very good. Kunal was a round and dash beetle. Shiny, small or grey? Kunal was a round and dash beetle. Shiny. Very good. We'll see the answers. Yes, children, you all are right. Green, leaves and shiny. Answer this question. Why was Kira sleepy, children? Why was Kira sleepy? Because one day she felt very hungry and she went on eating the leaves and she ate till she was quite full. मतलब एकदम ज़्यादा खा लिया था उसने. Then she was feeling sleepy. See, Kira was sleepy because she was very full. Okay. So the next part of this lesson, children, we will say in next period. Yes, children. So, do you love the story? Yes, na? Good. So the next part of this lesson, we will see in our next period. Till then, you have to learn the meanings. Thank you.